Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So today is our day 7 of learning the AI basics, and today we are going to discuss about what is error analysis and how do we improve a model. So in the previous video we have already covered what our evaluation matrices are, and we have covered the 3 common evaluation matrices that we use. So if you haven't watched that video, please do watch that video as well to have a better understanding. And in this video we are going to cover what is evaluation, what is error analysis, and how do we analyze the error and how do we improve our model so that our model gives a better answer in the next run. So to understand this, let us just move to the computer screen and let us just see how do we do that. Okay, so now let us just see what is basically error analysis and what is the and how do we improve our model. So to first let us just see on the what is error analysis. So error analysis is basically, let us just see the definition first. Error analysis is the process of systematically analyzing the mistakes made by the model to understand pattern in its error. So we basically what we do, we basically analyze the errors in the pattern, what the model has done the errors. So let us just see with the example yesterday that we have discussed. So suppose we had 5 glasses of water. These were the glasses of water, and our model has predicted that this was full, this was an empty glass, this was full, this was full, and this was an empty glass. So these were the predictions that a model has done. But when we see that in real time, that this was basically an empty glass, this was basically an empty glass, but our model has predicted it as a full glass. And similarly, this was a full glass and model has predicted it as an empty glass. So we find patterns between the errors that model has done. We'll find the pattern. So what is the pattern over here and what is the pattern over here? We will predict, we will analyze, like if was the glass like literally shiny. We will check like was the glass shiny that model has predicted, or has predicted it as a full glass or an empty glass. So we will just have some parameters aligned. So these can be anything. These parameters can be anything. So this is just an example that I'm giving, that you can check like if the glass was shiny, was the lightning, it was because of the lightning that the glass was moving, or like looking like that the glass was full. So we will just analyze on the basis of some parameters. So on the basis of these parameters, we analyze and train our model. And when we have the proper analysis of why we were having this error, then on that basis we show our model. Suppose this was the model that is predicted, and we have suppose I have found that okay, this was the error. So the error was, suppose the error was that the glass was finding that the glass was shiny. So what I will do, I will show my model some shiny glasses picture, so that my model can understand more deeply that okay, the shiny glass looks like this, not the one that he has predicted one. So I basically show in that way so that the model can learn. So this is known as error analysis, where we analyze the process of systematically. So it is a process of systematically analyzing the mistakes made by the model to understand the patterns in the error. So we basically what we do in error analysis, we understand the patterns. We understand what is happening and what are basically going on between the model. So this is what error analysis. So now moving on to the model improvement. So what is model improvement? So model improvement is basically, so let us just understand the definition first. The model improvement is the process of modifying the model, data or training processes to reduce errors and improve performances. So this is basically the improvement, the modify that we do. So the change that I have done, the change that I did here was I gave my model some pictures to analyze it and to learn again, so that next time my model does not give an error. So this is what known as model improvement. So how can we improve a model? There are some basically steps to improve a model. So the steps are basically to add more data that we did already, to clean the noisy labels, to remove the outliers, handle class imbalance mode or the class weights, and data augmentation. So these are basically the things that we can do to make our model more accurate or more improved. So this was basically what error analysis is and what is model improvement and how do we improve a model. So I hope you liked the video and the basic understanding what is model improvement and what is error analysis is and how do we analyze the model. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please do comment down below for any questions that you have, and I will for sure give those answers. And that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.